Hello. You got it open? Oh, that's your unit number. Okay. Uh-oh, I'm tripping.
The garage or whatever one is. Storage?
Oh, that's what's on. Okay. They're moving out of here? And this wasn't on the same key as the rest of your house?
No.
You tried it?
Yeah. Is that usually what they do or no?
Yeah, usually.
Hold on.
Uh-oh, why did I speak? No.
Are those more complicated to unlock?
No. It's always when you're rushing where you're, when you have another person in the parking lot now that just called me waiting on me.
Oh.
I'm like, ah. Alright, let's leave that pick.
Yay! I'll make jump. Oh.
Got
You
it.
just put it down.
Alright. And then should we put it on that same key that you have or something? Yeah? I'm going to pretty much do it all right here. I'm just going to run down and repin it.
Oh, okay.
So.
Awesome. Oh, yeah.
Oh, I just let it go. I heard them all come out. Gotta pick it again. All right, so I match it to your door, your front door, so it's all the same.
Oh, okay. You can do that.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yep.
I wonder why they didn't even do that in the beginning.
Because they're cheap, you know.
They want to charge everything.
Right. Well, they probably don't want to pay someone to. They probably bought a new lock and didn't want to pay someone to match it up or something. I don't know. Yeah. Should I leave the lock?
A little bit open. I got
Leave it
it
open?
in there, yeah.
All right.
Thank you so much.
That's good, yeah.